people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be doing a clean my car with me video. Extremely messy. Okay, maybe it's not extremely, but it's pretty messy. So we are going out of town, and I don't know about you, but your girl does not like traveling with a dirty car. Like, I don't even like having a dirty car, period. But when you have kids, it's a different story. So I figured we're going out of town, my car is messy, the kids are sleeping, and I've been wanting to do this video for months now. So we're going to do it right here, right now, today. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I got a new car earlier this year. Yay! It is crazy because I've been putting this car on my vision board for 3+ years. Every year I didn't get it, I said, oh, going back on my vision board. And this year, as a push gift from my husband, I got the car that I've been wanting for so long. If you guys don't know, we're a Jeep family. I think this is the big guy's 7th Jeep because he's been into Jeeps for years. He's had Grand Cherokees, Wranglers, like before. Like, I don't know if you guys have been following us for a while. When we went shopping like 3 years ago, he had a Wrangler, but because we had Maddie and it wasn't as safe for her as she got older, we had to trade it in. So that was his last Jeep. He had a Wrangler. So we have this now, which is our family vehicle / my mommy car. We are planning to get him another Wrangler, as you know, as we save up, because y'all know Jeeps ain't cheap. Okay, so yeah, this is my baby. I love her. I actually wanted a white one with a cream interior. So I was very specific about the one I wanted. I said I wanted an Overland and I wanted it to be white with cream interior, but I didn't get the cream interior and I didn't get the white. But you know what, it's all the same, it drives the same. We got it for a really good price and I love it. Like, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you, God. Thank you, babe. It happened so quickly. Like, as soon as I had Maddie, like I think the following week we went and got it. I really appreciate him for getting this for me and I love it. I love it. The next car will be a Range Rover, but right now I love my car. So we're gonna clean it today. All right, all right. Dust them up and go through, and then I'm gonna go through the car wash. But usually when I'm like here, like at a car wash, I don't clean inside. Like I don't do the leather cleaning just yet. I wait until I get home because there are 2 specific leather cleaners that I use, and I don't like to carry everything with me to the cleaners. So as soon as I'm done vacuuming, then I'm gonna go to the car wash, get the exterior clean, and then at home I'm going to clean the leather. Tell people, if you have kids, get leather seats because it's so easy to clean and it's so much better than getting stains on cloth seats, okay? So I'm gonna go home and clean the leather.
Perfect. So like I said, when I go to the car wash, I don't like to take like my spray and all that, because I just feel like there's a lot of extra stuff to tote, and when I have the kids in the car, I like to be as quick as possible. So when I'm at home, that's when I do the interior. And like I said, having leather seats, I mean, it's a blessing and it's a curse, because you know, when it's hot, leather seats are not, y'all want those problems. That's one thing I love about this car, is it's fully loaded. Everything you need is on here. The braking system, ventilated seats, everything is automatic in this bad boy. So that's one thing I love about this car, is when it's hot, the leather seats don't get too hot, but it's still hot though. And this is my first car ever having leather seats, so it's something I'm still getting used to. But when I do clean inside, I use these Armor All wipes, and I love them because they just wipe. I mean, not simply that they just wipe, but it gets the job done by wiping. I have the leather cleaning spray and I have the protected spray, but in my case, to make things simple, I love using the wipes. So all you do is just open it, pull one out, and wipe around. So I love it, you know, I love it because it really cleans, it gets it nice and shiny and all that. And once I'm done cleaning inside, I use one of these amazing air fresheners. I love the trees. I love the ones that you stick inside, the Febreze ones. I love those. But these, hands down, are like the best. Like my best friend, she put me onto the cherry kind. It's strong, but I love it, honey. I love it. So yeah, let me go ahead and clean inside real quick, and then we should be good to go. And I have to make sure that I get inside of these holes, because sometimes, you know, crumbs like to slip in there sometimes. So I gotta make sure that I get nice inside these holes where the air and the heat comes through, because crumbs get in there, okay? Covered. I like to keep sweaters and extra shoes for them and myself in a car, because I don't know, this is like my second closet, so just in case I forget to bring it out of the house, I like to have it, you know, in the car, just on the safe side. So as you see, have some Crocs in here for him, got a sweater in him, got a few toys here for Maddie to keep occupied, and then I have his carrier, of course his strollers in the back. So yeah, I just like to keep things in here just to be on the safe side, and if I forget, I don't know how my mind goes, I have it in here already. Anyway, that's what I love having leather seats, boy. Wipe it out. Hey. Now it's clean. Wipe it out. 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 Dashboard, windows, chairs, shoes. Man, I love just wiping them down, wiping out, and it's pretty much good to go. So yeah, vacuuming is a piece of cake now. Hello. Vacuuming is a piece of cake, because all I do is pretty much vacuum the floor, and then once I'm done, I just wipe the leather seats off. And okay, we done. Come on, sweetie. An easy routine of cleaning my mommy mobile. That's why I like to call it, the mommy mobile. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish up off camera, but I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know down below what you do to clean your car and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.